Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make text appear one by one in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one, and I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm gonna click on the text menu, select add text, and for example I'm going to type in one by one, and wait, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and then I'm going to add animation to the text. I'm going to choose zoom in animation. Okay, I'm just going to apply animation to the in, not out. All right, and wait, I'm going to make it shorter, and I'm going to make the photo longer. Okay, like this, and I'm going to duplicate this text. So we can click this text and we can go to the duplicate option. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it 3 times. Okay, and to make it appear one by one, we need to remove the position. We need to move the position. Okay, like this, and we can change the text. We can edit the text. Since I want to add one by one, I'm going to change it to by. Okay, one by one. Okay, and you can continue the editing. If you want to add more tags, you just need to duplicate it again like this. I'm going to duplicate and I'm going to move it here. Okay, so it will have a lot of layers. I'm going to change it to for example, over. Okay, and let's take a look at the final result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make text appear one by one in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!